So welcome to another edition of Hall of Flame, and today we are talking to Dr. P.V. Satyanarayana. He is a very good student of ours and who has actually broken that barrier of going to starting private. He is an orthopedician and he is in Visakhapatnam, and he has taken the big step of starting his own ortho clinic. It's called Swastik Orthopedic Clinic. So we congratulate you and very proud of you that you took that first step. It's usually the most difficult one, and that is the mindset point which you have broken that barrier, and now the glass ceiling has been broken, and now you can go to success and success. So congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
When did you join us?
In November, sir, November 2021.
Okay. And you have seen the modules, you attend the inner circle calls, and how is your experience?
It is quite motivating, sir. That's why I have taken this step and I have started this clinic.
So what were in your mind?
Very useful.
In your mind, what were the things going on when you started this clinic?
By seeing all your modules, I have got an idea that I have to take initial step in now itself. Otherwise, it will be. It is very difficult for me to take that step in future also. I will be frightened. Like that, I have got that idea and I have taken this step and I have moved it.
So where is this clinic in Visakhapatnam? How big is it?
It is
a shop space?
In shop space, sir. In 80 feet road, Akkepalam, sir. I don't have length. It is around 200 square feet. 200.
Okay. But even the small setup, but it is a good thing that you have started on your own now.
Yes. I have started only just a small clinic. I just want to continue with X-ray and pharmacy. I have not started.
Okay.
Basically, initially I started for only OP setup and for this dressing membership, POP and dressing.
So when did you complete your MS?
I completed in 2018.
18. After that, where did you work?
After that, I have worked in Srikakulam, sir, and then in Khammam.
Government or private?
In Hyderabad. In Srikakulam Government Hospital, I have worked for 1 year, sir. After that, I have worked under Doctorpreneur, sir, in Khammam Private Hospital. After that, I have moved to Hyderabad and I worked under Dr. P.V.V and Dr. Akil, sir, for 1 year.
So you worked under multiple hospitals. And
Yes,
now you're
sir.
also having taste of freedom. How is it?
Basically, I'm still working as a consultant in Medicover Hospital, private hospital.
Yes.
In Visakhapatnam, and just I'm running my clinic in the evening. I just want to grow myself. These corporates are little.
So tell me about your family background. How many doctors are there? Which background you have come?
Nobody in the family is a doctor, sir. Even educated also. I am only one person who is educated and I'm struggling.
That is a very, very proud thing.
Thank you.
You have again made your parents proud. Basically from Visakhapatnam, you are basically from which place?
I am basically from Visakhapatnam, sir. Since my childhood, I am in Visakhapatnam. My native place is in East Godavari, which is in Andhra Pradesh.
Okay.
East Godavari.
So you have experience of around 6-7 years in private, and now you started your own clinic, right?
Yes.
So what all training you have taken in ortho? Any specific joint or something, replacement or something like?
And joint replacement and scope, arthroscopy.
Arthroscopy. How has been your clinic experience? How are the patients coming?
Initially, I have started initially here, so I'm getting weekly 4-5.
That is not bad to start with. So if somebody is a junior person who starts just finishing his MS Ortho, what will you guide him? What will you tell him? How should he go about his career?
I just advise him to have an idea. To get that idea, he should join something like this. He should know what is what. He should join in. My idea is to join in Doctorpreneur.
Hmm.
After joining that, he will get an idea what is what. If he has no background, first thing, he don't know anything about what to do in future. Like me, nobody in the background. You should have a basic idea about what to do, how to get approach. I've seen this social media also in your doctor picture. Um, how to get marketed,
Mhm.
doctor being marketed.
Yeah.
You should learn all this, and that then he will definitely take a step. I've taken this. First, I have to step into that, and after that, what will happen will happen. I have to face it. That's it. I have taken this step because of you only. Because of you and your doctor this teaching.
So you've gone through all the modules, all the video modules you've seen.
Maximum I have seen it,
So how has been
but
your opinion?
some in between some are in Hindi, but I am not oriented to Hindi, sir. Some
Okay.
a little bit different. More so, they are good, sir.
You're attending the inner circle call also. You've seen that.
I am not attending. I am seeing after that I am getting the link so that I am watching that.
So they have been, how useful they have been.
And they are very good, sir.
How has been the community support in our this Doctorpreneur community and the Telegram group?
If we have any doubt, they are clarifying with any minor details also. I'm just following, sir. I did not get any doubt till now. I'm just stepping out.
No, even the first step is very important here.
Yes.
You know,
Yes,
first step, once you take the first step, then only you will take the second step. No,
yes,
if you
sir.
start a car, the first gear is the most difficult one.
Yes.
And then you're on your own. So how expensive it has been your one shop? You bought it or you take it in rent?
Rent, sir, for rent only.
So how much you have to pay?
It is 15,000.
And any advance deposit?
2 months advance.
So just the 2 months of advance and 1 month of 15,000. That much you can start
Basically,
again.
I have an area of 120 square yards nearby, sir.
Mhm.
I just want to start there after clicking, after getting some name here.
Mhm.
Just opposite to that only. I have started this clinic.
So how much money do you need to spend to start a small clinic? How much investment you did?
I have taken very less amount, sir, less than 1 lakh, around 80, 90,000.
So that means only in 1 lakh or 2 lakh you can start your OPD. Is that?
Yes, sir.
So it is not very difficult. It is a mindset issue mainly, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It is only 1 lakh you need to have in, and anybody can having a saving of 1 lakh and start his OPD. And
Can
continue to
start, sir.
freelance.
Yes, sir.
That is fantastic. This is a big message for our viewers. You don't need a lot of money to start your clinic. Just need a good mindset and a positive spirit.
Just positive spirit and no worry who will come or who will not. Just starting is important. I have experienced that. Basically, patients are knowing that he's a doctor, he is doing orthopedic surgeries, he's nearby, someone are coming like that. Day by day, I think these medical representatives are coming, sir. Basically, in Andhra Pradesh, Aragishree is one thing which is boon to every patient.
Right.
I have made recently. I have taken that to see Aragishree OPD freely, sir. I'm starting from day after tomorrow.
Very good.
And I will advertise that Aragishree OPD is free, so that I can get more amount of patients. I am not I'm not in the mindset of earning more amount of money in the initial day. I just want my name to know to everyone. So
That is a good way
I
of
have
marketing.
taken this step and I just and
So that is going to be in a positive way because you are serving and adding value to their patient's life, as well as you are doing the operations in other setups, right?
yes, sir.
So where do you see after 5 years yourself, Satyanarayan? Where will be Satyanarayan ready in 5 years? Because you just started
I
with
just
us.
want
We want you to
yes,
make a
sir.
big hospital.
Yes, sir. I just want to make a 100-bed hospital, sir. Minimum 100-bed.
Fantastic.
Visakhapatnam, sir.
We are just warming up right now. We have been not very old, I mean 1 year into our academy, and if you continue the motivational work and whatever you are doing, we will be there to help you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
And you should make your social media profile also very strong, the website, so that the whole package becomes in such a way that the patient gets all the information online only before coming to you. So that increases the trust or confidence in the patient also.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So what is your message for all the doctors who are actually fresh outside? So how many years of training they require before venturing into private?
Basically, after finishing orthopedics surgery, at least they have to work for 1 or 2 years outside, sir. In good running hospital, maybe around 100 to 150 cases. They should have free hand. My opinion, sir. In my opinion, they should have very free hand. Then after that, they have to go to their own place and start. What they want, they have to start.
So tell me about your spiritual attachments. Are you spiritually inclined, or do you believe in God or something?
I believe in God. I believe in God. I believe Lord when I come.
So you should come to the morning rituals we are organizing every day morning, Monday to Friday. Morning grace rituals. You know about that?
I don't know.
There is a session of 1 hour we take every day morning, and we'll send you the links also. So there we are actually helping you to meditate as well as affirmations for your future life. Please join that.
Okay, sure.
It's a fantastic thing. We started from last 2 weeks only, and it is really doing wonders for a lot of people.
Okay, sure.
Fantastic talking to you. Best of luck to all your projects, and we hope to see you a big 100-bedded hospital very soon, and then multiple franchises.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye.